Yes, I know, sweetie.
That's why I'm so stressed. I don't know what to do right now.
Why you don't pay na lang? Diba? You told me that you are a rich kid. Then pay it.
Sweetie, like I told you, I have a lot of business-related expenses.
And I just put
$30,000 inside the teddy bear included in the package so that, you know, we could start a business, maybe even help the community.
How sure are you that custom will not, confiscated that money?
Sweetie, you don't have to worry about that.
The customs officer gave me his word and assured me that the package
Would be released intact once the service fee has been paid in full.
How will we do now? Anong gagawin natin?
Sweetie, this is embarrassing for me, but I need to ask you a favor. Can I borrow some money from you?
Ano? Uutang ka sa utang na loob naman. Sweetie, that money, 150,000 pesos. Wala akong ganung halagang pera. I mean, it's so very difficult to me to find that big amount of money. Sweetie naman, it's so very hard.
I'm sorry, sweetie. I didn't mean to pressure you.
I just really don't know what to do, and I thought that
This might help solve my problem. Honestly, I'll pay you back.
I'll pay everything back right away once I have the money.
And once the package is released, you can cut the teddy bear open.
And use $3,000 to pay the fee.
And you can keep the rest for safekeeping.
You know, sweetie, gets ko naman eh. But the problem is, I'm not Shala. I'm Purita Marusol. Ha? Isang halop kukunin niyang pera. I don't have savings eh. Sorry, sweetie, but anong gagawin ko?
No, sweetie. In fact, I should be the one apologizing for you. I mean, I'm so sorry for putting all of this pressure on you.
I just can't help but think about the money and what we could do with it.
You know, what if a business, help the community? In fact, we can save some money for our future.
But please, don't be stressed.
Okay?
Sweetie?
Are you still there?
Yes, sweetie, I'm here pa naman. But, sweetie, can I do something lang, ha? Bye for now, ha? Anong gagawin? Diyos ko. Oh.
150?
Ang ingay naman ito.
Aray ko.
Marinig ka ng ninang eh.
Nakakagulat. 150,000 pesos, sis. Besh, masyado na naman malaki yun.
Ayun nga. Di ba parang red flag ba tawag dun? Kasi inuutangan niya kagad ako kahit mag-shota pa lang kami.
Alam mo, sikretong malupit lang natin to ha. Pero si Bobby Kaloy ko, alam mo, madalas yung mangutang sa akin yan. Lalo pag ginigipit siya. Pero hindi naman umaabot ng 1K. Tsaka nagbabayad naman siya agad, in fairness.
So okay lang sa mag-shota yung mag-utangan?
Oo. Pero matagal na kasi kami magkakilala ni Bobby Kaloy ko bago pa kami maging mag-jowa, di ba? Hindi katulad yun ni Victor na kailan lang naman kayo nagkakilala tapos online pa. Tsaka, Beshi, audio call tsaka chat lang kayo nag-uusap na hindi mo pa nga nako-confirm kung siya talaga yung nasa picture eh. Hala. Ay, sinasabi ko sa'yo, nagkalat pa naman yung mga scammer sa social media ngayon.
Alam mo, may point ka eh. Dapat siguraduhin ko muna kung totoo at legit bang mapagkakatiwalaan tong Victor ko, no? Ano eh?
Yun lang.
Yung secret lang natin, ha?
Nabunutan kita 150. Laki.
Hello, sweetie. Please don't be offended, ha? Don't get me wrong. But can we video call ba? As in right now. I just want to see your handsome face so my mind can rest in peace. That you're not a scammer like other people in social media.
Girl, ano nang gagawin natin? Video call?
Ay, wait lang. Wait, sagutin ko lang tong message.
Hi, sweetie. Oh, I would love to, but I'm in a business meeting right now. I'll get back to you tomorrow.
Sabi ko na eh. Diyos ko, bakit ipapabukas pa? Ba't hindi na lang ngayon, di ba? Naku, baka naman totoo yung sinasabi nila, Jemal. O baka scammer talaga to si Victor.
So, tawa-tawa ka dyan. You seem unbothered. Girl, FYI, this is a critical situation.
Shh! Chill mo yung face mo. Girl, matagal ko nang na-anticipate tong moment na to na gustong makipag-video call ni Ikit. So, ni-research ko na online on how other love scammers remedy such situation. Trust me, I got this. Brainy.
Really? How?
God, feel niyo.
Girl, sure ka ba sa ginagawa mo?
Yes, I'm 100% sure. Ayan. Ito, I think it's okay na. Ayan. Mag-prep ka na, okay? Mag-record na. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. In 3... Oh, wait. In 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Mary Kit, Sweetie Pie. I just want you to know that I've always been honest with you. This is not a fake account, and I'm definitely not a scammer. As you can see, I look like the person in the picture. I will never lie or take advantage of someone I truly love. I love you, Sweetie Pie.
Nakakapagod tong acting na to, girl. Ano ba? Baka maging straight ako.
Oh my God, it's perfect. Tama, straight ka talaga eh. Okay. And kailangan lang na patungan natin yung video mo with a different image. Oh my God.
Thank you.